Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and today I will be sharing my homemade condensed milk recipe so you can also use it inside your sweets. So let's start. All we need for this recipe is 500 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of sugar. Now I get my pan on the stove. First we are gonna start with high heat and then you can decrease it into medium. And we need a wooden spoon. Now we start off by putting our sugar into our pan. And we also add in milk. We are going to stir this until very end. You're never going to stop stirring it. It's very important that you stir it all the time. It may take 40 minutes to 1 hour. So make sure you are patient with it. So you will just stir it all the way. As you can see, bubbles are started coming. Now you continue stirring it. As you can see, it's getting creamy. Now let's make a test. Just get from your mixture 1 little spoon, put it into a plate and just see how fast it goes down. As you saw, it was very fast, so we don't want that. As you can see, this is the mixture that we want. Now let's make our test again. And let's see, as you guys can see, it's going extremely slow. It even stopped at this moment. So this is what we wanted. It means it's ready. Now I turn off my stove. Okay, now I get my mixture into the mixer bowl. And I'm just going to mix it for 3 minutes. Because it has to be smooth. As you can see, my mixture is extremely creamy and very smooth. You can't even see any obstacles inside it. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm posting new videos every week, so see you soon in another recipe of mine. Bye!